Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review Holbein Watercolors. But before we start it, please don't forget to subscribe so you can support my channel. Okay, so let's start it. Hans Holbein was a German artist, but the company that made Holbein products is Japanese. It is an artist-grade watercolor, and you can find sets in size of 12, 18, 24, 30, 48, 60, and 108 tubes. They also make half pens that comes in sets of 12, 18, 24, and 36 colors. Both pens and tubes can be found in open stock. That's always good, because you don't have to buy the whole set when you run off some colors. I'm using here Canson Extra Large watercolor paper, 140 pounds, 300 grams, and I'm going to test 18 color set. I start doing a color swatch so I can see how the colors look like and feel how the watercolor behave on the paper. The colors in this set are Jaune Brilliant, Permanent Yellow Lemon, Permanent Yellow Deep, Vermilion Hue, Rose Madder, Crimson Lake, Mineral Violet, Prussian Blue, Cobalt Blue Hue, Composite Blue, Viridian Hue, Permanent Green number 2, Permanent Green number 1, Yellow Ochre, Burnt Sienna, Burnt Umber, Ivory Black Hue, and Chinese White. It's always good to have the white on the set, because sometimes you want to reinforce them, or sometimes you just lost your highlights. You can use the white to help it. The white in this set is not that opaque as I wish, but anyway, it's always helpful. This color swatch and the complete list of materials that I used today is available in my website, and I'm going to put the link down below in the description box for you guys. As you can see, the colors are beautiful and vibrant. There is no separation. They lay down on the paper very easily, and the pigment is very strong, and it's easily mixed with water. I have played with them for a while, and I put them in a palette, and it dried. All colors dry with no crack. Here I mix some colors on the paper just to see how the colors behave, and it's amazing. The colors just mix together very well and look very beautiful. I really like this set. And for me, I don't see that I need a bigger set than that, because with these 18 colors, you can mix like a large variety of colors. Now I try a wet and wet technique to see how the colors spread on the paper. As you can see, it works beautifully. The color spreads very well, and the colors keep strong and beautiful. I want to show you guys the size of the tube. It's a tiny one. It's really small, but with watercolor it doesn't really matter, because a little just goes a long way. It's a 5 ml tube. It's a 0.17 Aussies, and it has the light fast information on the side. So now I'm drawing apple to do a demonstration. So I draw first, and then I erase the lines that was too strong, because I don't want the lines that show up, and I start to paint. As always, I start with the light colors, and then I start to build up more colors and giving dimension to the subject. Don't forget to save your highlights, because in watercolors we don't paint the highlights, we keep the white of the paper. So now I start to put some red, some colors, and I have to let dry the overpainting so I can keep putting layers on the top. If I put the layers in the wet painting, the colors going to mix together, and in the apple I don't want that the colors mix because there is a strong separation in colors. So that's why I go in different places all the time, because I have to wait the parts dry. As you can see, more layers, I'm doing more realistic it starts to looking. We have to pay attention in the reference photo because it's very important to put the lights in the right place and the darks in the right place so it looks more realistic and more dimensional. If you want a realistic look, you have to be patient because you have to put a lot of layers. The more layers you add, the better it's going to look. And you're going to put layers until you are satisfied with the result. After you put some layers, you can do some glaze so you can readjust the colors. That's all for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you like it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you don't subscribe yet, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any one of my videos.